Hi guys! Welcome to Bestfriend's Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for our future videos. Today, we're going to show you how to make baked nacho dip. So, eto nga pala yung mga ingredients for this recipe. Tara, simulan na natin! First, i-prepare muna natin ang beef. Isutay lang natin yung garlic at ang onion at lutuin ito hanggang sa maging translucent yung onion. Tapos, ilagay na natin yung beef. I-continue nyo lang yung paghalo at lutuin ito for 5 minutes. Then, i-add nyo na yung soy sauce. After that, i-season nyo ito with salt and pepper according sa panlasa nyo. After that, lutuin nyo lang ito for another 3 minutes or until sa mag-evaporate yung liquid. Then, iset aside nyo muna ito for the meantime. By the way guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Ngayon, i-prepare naman natin ang cheese sauce. Sa isang pan, ibuhos lang natin yung evaporated milk, all-purpose cream at ang cheese spread. After that, buksan nyo lang yung kalan at iset nyo ang apoy sa low heat. Haluin nyo lang ito hanggang sa ma-dissolve yung cheese spread. After that, ilagay nyo na yung grated cheese. I-continue nyo lang yung paghalo hanggang sa malusaw yung cheese. Sa isang ramekin bowl, mag-dissolve lang kayo ng 1 tablespoon ng cornstarch sa 1 tablespoon ng water. After that, i-add nyo lang ito sa cheese sauce. Makakatulong ito para mag-thicken yung sauce natin. I-continue nyo lang yung paghalo hanggang sa maging malapot na yung sauce. At ngayon, pwede na tayo mag-assemble. Una, ilagay nyo lang yung chopped onions, tomatoes, at bell pepper sa baking pan. After that, ilagay nyo na yung beef. Haluin nyo lang ito hanggang sa maging well combined. After that, spread out nyo lang yung veggies at ng beef evenly sa pan. Then, maglagay na kayo ng cheese sauce sa ibabaw. I-make sure nyo lang na fully covered ang buong pan. After that, maglagay lang kayo ng generous amount of cheese sa ibabaw. Then, bake it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our baked nacho dip is now ready. Pwede nyo na itong iserve at i-enjoy habang nagbi-binge watch kayo sa Netflix. We hope that you enjoyed this video and please give us a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you want to request recipes that we can feature on our next vlogs. Paki-share na rin yung video ito for everybody happy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, till our next vlog.